Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to change the language on the Steam. So let's open the Steam already. Maybe you open up Steam in a language that you don't know. Accidentally you set the language on Spanish or however. So you'll have to open the library and just follow my exact steps because probably you will not understand what to press. So let's locate the Steam. It's right here. This will be, you have also view, friends, games, help. Select the first one, and now you will have to go to the settings. You will have to count now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one are the settings. And inside here you will find not the account, friends, chat, security, however, you'll have to go to the interface. And that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth one, and you'll have this computer icon. Let's open an interface. And right here you can find the Steam client language. It's set it on English. As an example, let's go, I don't know, Romanian. I understand Romanian. Yeah, after you will select the language you want to select, you will have to restart. You press on restart now because you will have to, Steam will have to download the language and reallocate everything, every buttons in a new language. So that's a very easy way how to change the language on Steam. And as you can see, it's not saying reconnecting, it's saying se reconectează, and I understand Romanian, it's okay, and I just changed that to Romanian. So let's go again on oh goddammit, I have to enter my stupid pin for the games. Okay, let's go to Steam, settings, interface, and now let's go back to English. Where is English? That's the one. Press OK and restart everything. Okay guys, I really hope I help you with this tutorial. If I help you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget that Steam is updating every time, and maybe the buttons will looks different. So I really hope I help you with this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, and I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.